A high priority focus for Bison Relay over the coming months is quality of life improvements and making the product ready for general use. At the current time, there is a user base of around 50 to 70 people. A large portion of these users are already testing and reporting bugs and issues. If you're interested in reporting, the page to visit is GitHub, Company Zero, Bison Relay Issues. Before reporting, you should read through the current issues to make sure the one you're experiencing is not already there. If it is, you can add a comment to acknowledge that you are also experiencing the problem and give further details. At this time, there are 37 issues being worked on, and many more that have already been fixed or resolved. Protocol improvements. Behind the scenes, there's been a lot of work done to improve the load times and efficiency of Lightning Network channels. This is now noticeable when you open Bison Relay and within a few seconds, messages and posts are delivered and ready to read. Before these updates, at times, there was delays that would make you feel that there's been no activity since you last visited. From a user perspective, this improvement helps with engagement, especially for those that switch on for short periods of time to check for updates or their regular dose of crypto news. Backup and restore wallet. Importing your seed phrase from a previous Bison Relay install is now possible. Currently, it's not advised to have the same account installed on multiple machines. It's also critical to note this seed phrase is for the wallet and on-chain activity only. It doesn't include your Lightning Network channels. Backing up and restoring Lightning Network channels is now available from the LN Management tab in the backup area. Backing up your LN channels will reduce the chance of losing funds locked off-chain in the Lightning Network. It's significant to note to restore your full account, you need to back up your wallet seed phrase and your Lightning Network channels. Each time you close and reopen channels, this backup file will also need to be resaved to prevent loss of funds. To back up, click the Save SCB File button and save the file somewhere safe. If and when you restore, click the Store SCB File button and locate the file that you saved. Creating and closing Lightning Network channels is now a lot easier and faster. The setup page offers a warning that having multiple channels pending will cause delays in your setup. Furthermore, the user experience on the channel setup page has removed the ability to set up another channel whilst waiting for pending channels to become active. This helps prevent users accidentally setting up multiple pending channels, which I've actually done on several occasions. Setting up and closing a Lightning Network channel takes 3 block confirmations. This is the case for both the outbound and inbound channels. Depending on average block production times, this can take from 10 minutes to 30 minutes for each channel. Newsfeed images have currently been removed from the newsfeed due to some issues with channel overload. These images are still available inside the posts. The aim is to bring this feature back in a future version but limit the size of images. From a personal perspective, it would also be great to see the newsfeed have a more formalized design. For example, titles having the same font size, descriptions limited to a number of characters, and additional inserts for optional links and a cover image. Subscription management. The newsfeed subscription area now gives the users the ability to unsubscribe to other users' remote posts, giving you more flexibility to who you follow and the information you receive and download. Bison Relay chatbots are now available. These bots send and receive group conversations from Bison Relay and other popular social media platforms. All conversations can be viewed and replied from Bison Relay. Currently, these bots communicate with Telegram, Matrix, and Bison Relay. A few areas that will be improved in the chat and newsfeed going forward will be: messages will no longer be removed on restart. The scroll bar will start from where you left off, maybe even highlighting the last message read. Presently, the scroll bar goes back to the top of the page whenever you visit the newsfeed and then return. Engagement icons would also be a considerable plus, as this is an easy method to display interactivity towards someone's perspective. In the newsfeed area, I'm looking forward to comment notifications on posts. Presently, on GUI, you have to manually check for post comments, which isn't the end of the world, but it does mean you're likely missing conversations and activities as post comment feeds grow and evolve. As always, updates are coming in thick and fast. This video will be out of date quickly. It's incredibly impressive to see how this project is moving forward. The improvements being made here may seem minor, but it's a good thing that usability is a high priority right now. Creating a streamlined experience for non-technical users will make onboarding a lot easier. Engagement is king. Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences with Bison Relay so far. If you haven't used it yet, let me know what's the big thing holding you back from trying it.